Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade spinach artichoke dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 10 ounces of frozen spinach, thawed and squeezed dry, and 14 ounces of canned artichoke hearts, drained and chopped. Also, have ready 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Don't forget a clove of minced garlic and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, let's get everything ready for mixing. Make sure your thawed spinach is squeezed very dry to avoid a watery dip. Chop the artichoke hearts into smaller pieces. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese with the mayonnaise. Then, add the sour cream, Parmesan cheese, and minced garlic. Finally, fold in the drained spinach and chopped artichokes until everything is evenly combined. It's time to bake our delicious dip. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully spoon the spinach artichoke mixture into an 8x8-inch baking dish. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a little more Parmesan cheese on top before baking. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the dip is hot, bubbly, and the top is beautifully golden brown. This ensures a perfectly warm and melty texture. Your homemade spinach artichoke dip is ready. Let it cool for just a few minutes after removing it from the oven. It will be very hot. Serve this warm, creamy dip with your favorite dippers. Tortilla chips, pita bread, or even crusty baguette slices are excellent choices. For a healthier option, try fresh vegetable sticks like carrots and celery. Enjoy this crowd-pleasing appetizer with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.